How to create a Wise account. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do this. First of all, open the application. Now this interface will pop up. So we're in this login page. Here you can directly log in or register. Now in order to create a new account, you can either register it or you can even use Google. So it's better you use Google because it's easier. Here tap on sign in with Google. Now select the account with which you want to log in. So here I'm tapping on one. After you do this, it will take some time and all your data related to your Google will be linked to the account. Now you must set your profile. Here select the region and the country and hit on continue. So all the personal details will be here. Now you can easily add them and later even edit it. Here at last tap your mobile number and easily confirm it. A verification code will be sent to your mobile number and later you can easily link with the account. And at last you're all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.